I'll show how to finish the seams if the fabric is thick and it don't have an overlocker. It looks neat and professional. Now I'm going to show how to attach the sleeves. For all other seams like shoulder, sides and neckline, the process is almost exactly the same. Since the fabric is very thick, I use a special heavy-duty sewing machine, but any other will do the same job. Here I'm using 1 inch of cotton twill tape, but you can also use bias tape, which is sewn a little differently. It's very important to place the seams next to each other. Don't stack them on top of each other. It's very thick, not flexible and not pretty. First, connect the pieces. Then, sew the first side of the tape. Try to get the seam into the seam. Then cut off the excess fabric if necessary and sew the second side. Next, I'll show how to sew tape in more detail using the hood as an example.